Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. To make this pot roast, we're going to begin by making a mirepoix. We're dicing up 4 carrots, 3 celery ribs, and 1 medium-sized onion. We are using a 4-pound beef chuck roast. With paper towels, go ahead and dry most of the moisture. Then season with plenty of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Flip the roast and season on both sides. Let it rest at room temperature for about 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then you want to sear your roast on each side for about 3 minutes per side. You want to sear in all of those delicious juices and give the roast a nice crust. Once the roast has been seared on all sides, go ahead and set it aside. Then we introduce the mirepoix to the pot. Season with a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a toss and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. Add in 4 cloves of garlic minced, toss the garlic in, then add in 2 bay leaves, a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme, a couple of sprigs of fresh rosemary, and toss it all in. Add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, followed by 4 cups of low sodium beef broth. Now bring the roast back into the pot. Then add in 1 cup of dry red wine. Now roast at 325 degrees for about 3 hours. During the last hour of roasting time, we are going to add 4 carrots and 4 potatoes. We are cutting the potatoes and the carrots into pretty large sizes, more of a pot roast appropriate. Bring the pot roast out of the oven and introduce the large chunky vegetables to the pot. Then we bring the pot back into the oven and continue cooking for another 45 minutes to an hour uncovered. I typically like to skim most of the fat from the top. We cooked it at 325 degrees for about 3 hours because we don't want it to be falling apart. This is exactly the consistency that I was looking for. It is very tender and it's not falling apart. And it has a nice steak-like to it. Now we are going to plate it with some of the vegetables. Finish it off by pouring some of the lovely braising liquid. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, classic pot roast. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching!